FXBros.
Yo, everybody can hear me. Here we back. Live Sunday, May 5th. About to talk about this continuation move we have. As we can see here on, since April 22nd, we had pretty much a rejection from these lows, and we've been experiencing a kind of bullish direction, still within this daily range we've been sitting in since January. Yeah, I guess predominantly a daily range since about the mid-January. This little area right here, we've kind of been in this little range. We thought we were going to have a break below, but on April 18th, we didn't get a continuation sell-off. We actually got a rejection. It's like this reversal hanging man, pinball type situation, followed by an engulfing. Since then, we've been bullish. We had another rejection, not out the highs though, but pretty much rejection once it got into this gap area. I want to say there was also news that caused this sell-off. It was short-lived. We didn't continue down to attack any of these lows. So now we actually been pushing higher to attack these highs that we thought this April 22nd was going to shoot for, but we just got to that area. Still nobody's closed above this range of 66.28. I think, yeah, 66.28. So we're still waiting patient for price. That's why I feel like we still kind of got potential of more bullishness to at least come and close roughly above these wicks. I would say 66.45 would be a good price. To get bodies to close above there, then we could be attacking even as high as, upwards of 67.65, 67.70. Let's see. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? What's going on?
Ain't nothing, man. Enjoying life, bro.
That's it, man. Happy to hear that. Same here.
No, fact. Yeah, man, just looking at this little slight, I guess, bullish trend we've been experiencing this past 2 weeks.
Yes.
And I just noticed, we kind of almost predominantly in a range, too. If you look at the daily, like in the range of like about 66.40, 66.20, 66.40, all the way down about 64.50. Just this little box right here, this little range. Like we almost broke out of it pretty much mid-April. Then we came with that bullish engulf on April 22nd, and actually pushed back in the range. It's kind of got to zoom out to really see it somewhat, but we're approaching the top side of that range. We're gonna see if it's gonna be a potential breakthrough, but still undecided on where we actually going. April was a wild month. I don't see what the monthly looks like. Yeah, pretty much indecision. That's what it looked like. Especially coming from the previous monthly. Yeah, I'm just curious to see how high we're gonna buy up. into this bearish engulfing that we experienced starting the year off in January on the monthly. You think these rejection wicks can hold up and we're going to start to sell off, or still need more time to decipher?
Still has some time. Still have some time for it to play out. I can see it going as high as 66.45.
Okay,
And kind of reaching up to that wick on the weekly.
I got you.
Going as high as that, but ultimately, I am still, sell entries wouldn't be too bad, just considering the range that we've been in that you pointed out. This wouldn't be a bad area for sales. So, yeah, ultimately, I'm just looking for a strong rejection or a strong signal on the lower time frame, meaning the daily. The daily and the 4 hour, lower time frame under than the weekly.
Right.
Maybe something, and I think we might have a good opportunity for sales.
Yeah, I see that. See all the previous rejection.
If it breaks up and close above those wicks that you got on that daily chart, then yeah, we can continue to move up. Possibly reach that area, or put that high.
Yeah.
We have to see.
Yep, that would make a lot of sense if we did close above these wicks. But then again, I mean, it's all about two things happening. Yeah, it got to close above, but it also has to either one, trade back down and do a retest maybe on a smaller time frame and continue higher, or it could close above and then just reverse and sell back into this clean traffic, kind of like how it did right here, because this would have been looked at as a breakout of this consolidation. Then we had the retest right here on the 18th, but we didn't get the continuation. And you would have noticed that continuation, but you had to wait 3 days because you had the 2 days of selling off. One is pin bar, like hanging man type situation. Candle right here, followed by a bullish engulfing. After you wait for those 3-day scenarios to happen, now you see the clearer picture that no longer am I looking for the market to sell off and possibly fill this wick, this bearish wick. I'm expecting the market to buy up and probably clean all this bearish traffic we got to the left. So that could happen too. But like I said, for that scenario to really play out, you got to wait at least 3 days after you see some signs of reversal, meaning like this first initial green candle, because all these candles was red. Selling, selling, selling. Then we get a first sign of reversal, but we don't get the true entry into that engulfing. And that's really like a good 3 or 4 days of waiting. So that just kind of attests to how long you got to have patience to try to find a good entry, especially on the daily time frame, looking for engulfing. It might seem a little bit faster on the smaller time frame, but as we can see, I'm pretty sure off this daily bullish candle, there was probably a 1 hour bullish engulfing potentially that could have got you in. But as we see, this rejection wick would have taken you out of that sell. Out of that buy. And then waiting further for confirmation, you get a daily bullish engulfing, probably still going in line with the 1 hour and 4 hour, and then we get to push higher. I think that was April 17th. April 17th. So yeah, we had an engulfing here and here on the 19th. So sometimes just got to give ourselves time for that to play out too. Another engulfing here on the 18th. Several on the 1 hour.
Yeah, patience, man.
No, for real. So, take this off. So how you is Jazz Fest not over with, huh? Or is it?
Yeah, today was the last day.
How was it? I mean, what did y'all participate? Were y'all?
Man, we thought about it, but we ended up being gone.
Yeah.
Wanted to see Anderson Paak. I thought that would have been cool to see him.
Did y'all go?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we didn't even go.
Where he was at?
Huh?
Where he was gonna be at?
I don't know. I mean, he was gonna be at Jazz Fest. I just didn't know what stage.
Oh, I got you. I'm tripping. I'm thinking he's gonna be at the Republic or some shit like that.
Oh, right. No, he was. He was like one of the main acts.
Head action. Nah, that would have been fire to see him.
Exactly, man. That dude, super talented. Yeah, I love his music. Like, yeah, it's really, really nice. But
that's like our version of Frankie Beverly type shit.
yeah, he a bunch. Yeah, he a bunch wrapped into one, man. That dude.
Nah, big facts.
The type of guys, him, the Thundercats.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, I mean, I think it went really well. It was you didn't hear any craziness.
That's good.
Like any bad, terrible things happening. The weather, which it always like gets crazy rain.
I was about to say, because we was raining this whole week, so I was wondering if y'all got that.
No, I mean, if anything, we probably got one shower, but it wasn't like detrimental to the entire fairgrounds.
Gotcha.
So that was a plus. And yeah, man, I think it was good. I think it was really good.
No, that's what's up. And I ain't gonna lie, ever since my experience in Mardi Gras, it seems like New Orleans been hitting it out the water with these events.
Yeah, they've been, they've been improving just with like coordinating, these things and keeping everything under wraps as much as they can, security wise. Clean up, clean up is a lot better.
Right.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's always a good thing when we can.
Perfect timing for the Super Bowl.
I was just going to say it's like good practice. Yeah, it really is good practice for that. First quarter fest was huge turnout. So
nice.
And I think they still might struggle because it's going to be record breaking for both Mardi Gras.
Yeah, bro.
Because it's going to be combined.
I feel like the sheer fact, and I don't know if I'm just the only one experienced that, but this year Mardi Gras was probably for sure top 5, down there top 3.
In your life?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Like it was just the whole vibe, just different aspects of Mardi Gras. It wasn't the normal family tradition type of route scenario that we used to do. It was kind of like different. We damn near did it like we was tourists. Almost.
Yeah. We was lurked out.
We was lurked out.
So the great thing, you wasn't there Mardi Gras day, like y'all.
Yeah,
bro.
That's it would have really topped it off.
We was on that balcony, bro. Like we were real. I really felt like a tourist. Bro.
I know, and that's why I was saying like that way. That's really why I put it up there with top 5, top 3, because even that alone would have been a cherry on top for the whole event.
Whole nother story of us trying to find the car garage.
Yeah.
And yeah, I might have to talk about that outside of the live.
Nah,
Crazy, bro. Yeah, it was very eventful on some shit.
nah, real talk.
Niggas was downtown, like actually did Mardi Gras downtown.
Yeah, facts.
So yeah,
Facts. That's what. And it was like, from what I remember, what I heard, it was really nothing horribly bad, like tragic, that happened during that whole time frame.
oh yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Like, it was pretty easy going.
it's been good. It's been good.
So with that being said, I'm pretty sure everybody else that experienced the same thing already coming back home, word of mouth, like, oh yeah, I'm going back next year.
Facts.
And they're not coming back by themselves, so they're bringing back more people. So it's about to be thick.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's gonna
Think
be
about the
super.
people still to this day that you hang out with, and you may know, for sure in Texas or any other place that people not only have they been to Mardi Gras, they never been to New Orleans still.
Bruh, I meet
So
them all the time.
exactly. So you got
Driving left, I
come
meet
on,
them
bro.
all the time. They always be like, "Damn, man, I never been. Or I passed through. Or I was young when I was there, so I don't remember." But
That blows my mind. Like,
yeah,
nigga, how can you pass through you don't pass through New Orleans. Like,
yeah, I know that's kind of crazy.
that's wild. I mean, I get it if you had a layover, but that's super rare. Nigga ain't having no layover in New Orleans.
The facts, and especially what's adjacent to the airport, like it ain't nothing but a quick 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and you into, you in the city.
Yeah, you're in the city. Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You could
You get
really go somewhere, walk around the French Bar, get some
right
food, and dip. Like
and
just
and get back to the airport if you got to.
come on.
Real talk,
Yeah,
real talk.
anybody, everybody that's listening, yeah, New Orleans is one of them cities. I know a lot of people rep they, rep their respected homes, and I get that home is where your heart is. But this place, as small as it is, still have enough room for out of towners to make this home. If that
Facts.
makes any sense. Like so many people that come in from New York or fucking Florida, like these popping, especially Florida lately, these popping states and you know well established cities. They, what I'm saying, they don't probably do so well for themselves and stuff like that, and they ready to kick back and have a good time. They retire in New Orleans.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's definitely one of those cities, man. You come down here, you gonna have yourself a blast. The food will be good. The people are
Wow.
super nice. Yeah, you're
Big
gonna
fact.
have experience before, and you're gonna be like, damn, I like this place. Like, when can I come back? And if I got it like that, can I buy a house down there?
Nah, it's probably, boy, I bet you that real estate in New Orleans website, or that search history in Google, probably up like a mug, boy.
Yeah, that's true.
Especially at the Jazz Fest.
Yeah.
At least they looking at it just to see what it look like.
And then if you really got like an investment background, like yeah, you really come to New Orleans and have a good time and see the opportunity, you could be like,
Mm-hmm.
oh my gosh,
Mm-hmm.
this place is a gold mine.
Man.
So yeah, that's a whole nother situation. But yes, man. And I've been seeing it at a rapid rate. Shout out to my Middle Eastern brothers and sisters. But y'all have the vision and y'all are not taking the foot off the gas.
Nah, facts. That's what's up. That's a beautiful thing to see, man. The city kind of getting a getting their wings back. It's unfortunate in the events that transpired
Oh boy,
for us to come to this,
they got hit hard. Oh
but
yeah.
they slowly coming back type shit.
I mean, look who we talking about. This is the city of New Orleans. Like, come on, man. If any city know how to bounce back from like national or disasters or a pandemic or whatever,
Right, right.
yeah, man, we gonna bounce
And
back.
not only that, not only to deal with that, but just all the embedded systemic issues that New Orleans been facing over the years.
Oh yeah,
legislation wise and just law wise,
Oh yeah, the corrupt.
corruption. So it's a two-sided thing to still have people in smiling ear to ear, grown ass people when I'm dropping them all to the airport. Like that says something about their city.
Yeah,
Yeah.
stay out the way, bro. That's all I gotta say. For real, in
No,
all
fact.
aspects. Handle your business, stay out the way. Step
Mm-hmm.
out every now and then, and
Real talk.
do some damage.
Real talk. Let's see, man. We better see if we got some news we could use on this beautiful Sunday.
Really
Start.
was, man. Really, 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 really beautiful day.
Yeah. Let's see. Bizam. So Sunday, no news. Monday, we have Australian news at 8:30. Retail sales, interest rate decision. That's currently sitting at 4.35. Probably won't have no. If they change it, that's going to show something a lot for the economy because they actually doing good compared to America, which is probably a lot of other countries. But Australia, as a country, is pretty doing as an economy, is doing pretty good. So if they had to raise or cut theirs, that says a lot. If they have the ability to. Tuesday, no news. Wednesday, no news. Thursday, of course, jobless claims initial, continuous, and Friday, Michigan consumer confidence sentiment. This overall, what I see in the charts is something that I've been waiting to see. I love the week of the month where the news is kind of light, especially after following a heavy news week that kind of shook the markets up. That means this is going to be more of a let the traders not be swayed in their decision. Let the algorithms run on their own type of scenario this week, and we'll get a kind of somewhat more cleaner, consistent moves sometimes. So that's good, especially after NFP and the Fed speech. So that's pretty much it for that. I know lately I've been the DXY has been extremely crucial in taking that extra precautionary step before I pull the trigger on a trade.
There you
Taking
go.
taking the time out to look at that is, yeah, it's been crazy.
Yeah, it's a decent tool.
Mm-hmm.
As you notice, it only really goes off to doing, um, that New York session time. So it really lets you know like what time you're supposed to be expecting for something to happen as far as like volume and um, you know looking for trade entries and exits around that high volatility.
Right.
So yeah, man.
Yeah. Hold on one second. I had to reload the charts up.
No problem.
All trying to pull up the DXY to see what we're looking like. Do you? I don't know. I really see a strong. I see a potential continuation on sales for the DXY. That's why. That's another reason why, and we don't know until we see it. But why I was kind of leaning on bullish continuation, slight bullish continuation on Australian dollar. I don't think it's gonna like go crazy high, but at least.
I do agree looking at that daily, but look at the weekly and see what that looks like on the.
Okay. At least coming up to here, like if
That's what I
like
said to that week. Yep.
yeah, coming up to here and then selling out. So if I look at the weekly, let's see. Let's take all this off. Look at the weekly. Okay, we got I see rejection up here on the weekly.
On the DXY.
Then on the DXY. Man.
I mean, I could just see it just continue with that bullish. It's just been creating some nice structure. Talking about the DXY. Now it has something, where I can see it doing that early, drop down a little bit, try and fill that weekly wick to the downside, and then it's going to shoot up. I don't think it may go all the way down there. If it does, and it has every right to, but it's
I mean, we got strong, we got some rejection here for sales. Then we kind of somewhat broke, not above the wicks, but broke above the bodies here with some could say a nice little retest and a bullish push. Came back down to retest that area with a rejection wick. So yeah, I could easily see that rejecting and holding here and then continuing higher all the way down to 104.50.
Yeah.
For the DXY.
Yeah. So I can, which is the reason why I'm being patient to fall into those sales.
Right. I agree with you on that one. Are you still holding sales from Friday?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
It's a new week. When the market opened, I had a stop loss at mental probably was like for 5 to 10 pips.
Gotcha.
And I got out when it started going back up. I could have stayed in it, but I was like, new week, new opportunity.
I feel you on that. Take this off.
New month as well, so yeah.
It sure is. 66.45. That's good enough. Take this shit off. Don't need that. So yeah, still got potential targets here. This area still hasn't broken above yet, and also here. So basically, kind of showing out that range I was talking about, but definitely based off of history with all these sellouts from this area, would be a nice scenario to give us some kind of bearish engulfing either on the 4 hour or the daily up here near 66.45, 66.50.
Yep.
So that's what we're waiting on. We got clean traffic on the 4 hour to sell into if we do get that. So that's another good thing to consider.
Could be a sweet one. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, nice sweet sale. So that's pretty much what we Kind of waiting on. Let's see. Let's take a quick glance at some of the other correlated pairs. We got New Zealand dollar. Kind of pretty much the same scenario as Australian dollar. Looking at the 4 hour. Gold. Not so much the same, but
it's a good buy. It's a good area for buys.
Yeah. All these rejection wicks too. That body's already above this area. It's only Sunday. Yeah, I could definitely see that. I could just continue higher. Nice little setup. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Then we got the USD CAD, which is pretty much selling off. Euro, Australian dollar, selling off. So, take a quick glance at Bitcoin right quick and the S&P. Bitcoin right there, trying to come back off this little slump. Yeah, as soon as it gets to 70 flat, we out of here. Yeah. XRP still struggling. Let's see if we made any new highs on the S&P. S&P is doing what S&P does. I mean, basically made back all the losses. I mean, granted, you would have had to been holding, but you would have damn near made back all your losses from the red weeks we experienced, or the red days, that week of red days. So, a pullback it was. Especially after this daily engulfing. Like, what more do you want? Yes, sir. So I think overall, if we get it, it'll be nice to, potentially continue higher slightly for the week, early in the week, and potentially be on the lookout, be expecting. Don't just say it's gonna happen, but don't run from it when it does happen either. But the expectation of a sale near these highs, as you see all these rejection wicks with good interest for sales, especially if you're looking at the 1 hour, the 30-minute. I'm pretty sure you would have caught some nice little smoother interest, but nonetheless, history is showing us that we're rejecting this area. This is strong. If you look back, we got kind of hang up here around that area. Price rejected here, broke through. Another hang up here. Got rejection wicks here. Feel the levels of rejection in this zone furthermore. So price kind of like struggles here. So we'll see how it does. If it does break through, it's definitely gonna need a big candle like this. Like this big candle. We always need big body candles to break through strong zones. Like this big body candle needed to break through it. These big body candles needed to break through it if you're gonna close through it. So be expecting that too. If we do get a break above, we should see a lot of force through this probably Monday morning, coming through this area, going bullish. If we do see rejection wicks on these smaller time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, then we know on the daily, we might be setting up for a rejection with probably like on Tuesday on the cool. So with that being said, I really wouldn't be looking for this setup per se until like Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, expecting a rejection wick. If you see it on a smaller time frame, take the sell. That way your stops will be tight. You have a tight stop loss up here near the highs. And if you get stopped out, so be it. But if it works out, you caught the highs.
Yep, I agree. Man. Be patient, wait for that kind of work out. Even if it doesn't go all the way that high, if you get something, like you said, it's gonna have to take a couple of days.
Yeah,
for the setup to happen.
Got to.
There's no engulfing that's gonna happen on the daily. Today or tomorrow,
Right. Because this candle is going to close tomorrow at 4 p.m. So if that closes bullish, then the next candle is going to be what's next? And that ain't going to close till Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Right.
So yeah, at least got, like I said, Tuesday evening, Wednesday morning to wait for a setup. So don't be tricked into something early. Give it time. The market is already come this far for a reason so far. We're starting to slightly trend up. Like I said, it's not a lot of volume on Sunday, so we won't get a strong push right now. But Monday, you might get tricked into buys. But, always think in the back of your head, yeah, you might get tricked into buys up here. But wouldn't it be so sweet if you would have caught the buy down here out this daily engulfing?
Facts.
But this buy down here was a little scary because you was looking at sales. So you probably was thinking like, oh, I'm going to get a reversal, reject off this low, and then we're going to continue with sales and fill this wick. That's what your mind was thinking. But ultimately, this is the best time for buys. Why? Because your stops could be tight because it's at near the bottom. So you ain't got to worry about, a big stop loss, and your upside potential is extreme. And as you can see, it retested back up in this whole wick. So thinking that same scenario when it comes up here, it'll be a better scenario to catch sales. Why? Because the stops will be tighter. You won't have no stop loss way up here, and then you can attack these lows, which is a greater upside. Risk to reward, just like that. Uncomfortable risk to reward.
I was about to say,
nobody want to take sales up here. Everybody want to take buys because they look at the past, and they be like, damn, they've been pushing up. When you really should be looking at the past like, damn, it should have been pushing up. Everything don't go up, straight up. It's what goes up has to come down or has to retest.
yeah, man, easy win the race.
Mm-hmm.
Have to, patience works,
Yeah.
Patience works for me.
Big facts. Yeah, boy, them hoes. I ain't gonna lie, boy. I've been kind of looking at them damn portions. You had brought that up that one conversation, boy.
Yeah, bro. What the hell going on, man? Has anything changed?
Yeah, I was looking at it today. They kind of back to normal. I think they fixed that glitch. Because I know damn well nobody's about to spend $800,000 for no GT3 2016.
What, that one?
But those weren't even that high. Like, I'm looking at them now. Like,
I'm gonna say those are up there, but
this is 2016 for 189. You know,
damn.
2016 though.
Yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to do that manual, right? Oh, that's an automatic.
Ging, 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 ging.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, we having fun.
Let me see. I think it's Well, hold up. Yeah, automatic.
Yeah, with that 200 on the dash.
With the paddle shifters. Yeah. No. That's exactly how your exhaust will sound. That's exactly how your exhaust will sound. But yeah, they definitely and then you get here,
Yeah, that's what I'm
2023,
saying. You get that's when you start getting up there.
265.
Yep, quarters. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, they be quarters. That's a manual. They don't play around with them.
Yeah, that's a manual out there right there.
Yeah.
No, it says automatic.
Dang. Is that a new thing?
I don't know.
But that was the one before
No,
that.
it's automatic. Look,
That was a
drive.
2000. That was 2016. The one before that, huh?
Yeah, and this is 23.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's the automatic. Rear, neutral, drive, manual. Then you got the paddle shift. Yeah, this automatic all day.
Wow.
Yeah, don't play. And it's got 225 on the dash just to make sure.
Oh yeah, I like those. That must be that custom.
Yeah, that's that extra
Yep.
one. That extra push.
Right quick. Yeah, man, Uncle Brian better watch out.
I think this is what he was trying to get. I think so. I'm not sure. I know Brian could probably, but I think one of these, the 911 Carrera, I believe.
Yeah, but look at the new one. He don't want that one.
He don't want that one. You're right. He don't want that
brand.
one. He want. Let me see. I'm gonna go to
that brand spanking
newest by year.
If he get that GTS Carrera. Oh, look at that dark. What is that?
Oh, that darker? Yeah, that's an off road. You see how it lift up?
Oh.
Yeah, that's when you want to go
to the sand dunes.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh my God, that looked fun.
Yeah, that price looked fun too.
Yeah, no, they can have a price.
Interior nice though.
It's slick.
To save for a Porsche.
I'll do that thing matte black. Yeah, that's like it look like a damn apocalyptic car.
Rally, sport, normal, wet, off road. Yeah, that whole go mudding. You can go mudding in this. No, facts. Got the exhaust. Yeah, that was nice.
5 modes. That's crazy.
God dang, boy.
Told you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, those you can't be a regular person. Like they like you got to get on the waiting list. You got to have a test. Like what have you bought before? You can't just go in a Porsche and be like, I want that one. They're like, here's levels.
That boy said, I want that one. They're gonna slap your hand while you pointing.
Oh, look at that blue daddy.
Hey, dog. Hey, dog.
They
That's
cut
the color.
up, boy.
Yeah, they are. That's a new one. That's 2024.
That's the color.
That is the color. Damn.
Yeah, mine will definitely be that blue.
No, facts. Damn, boy. I know that whole sound mean.
Those like your entry. You know, they be calling them bitches the entry level. I'm like, how does entry level in a 500?
That bitch say shark blue.
7-speed automatic.
518 horsepower.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I'm saying, dog. Like these are quick. They are quick. Don't get me wrong. But for the price and for the speed, man, you can walk on over to McLaren and go crazy.
Yeah, really, really good. And shout out to McLaren. They won the F1 race today.
Oh, nice.
Team McLaren did his thing. You know, everybody else was out there. Shout out to Lewis Hamilton. He's bringing so much money to that sport just by, you know, his swagness and everything.
No, facts.
Yeah, I actually sit back and watch that, boy. But yeah, McLaren, they ain't playing over there, boy.
No, they're not playing.
That dude, he jumped out from the gate. and just cut in front of everybody, and he stayed in
Ah,
first.
I'm gonna have to watch that.
Stayed in first. Damn, so he probably, yeah, that's what I'm saying. If he get that GTS, then he not
This the
playing.
one. Yeah, this the one. This is saying like,
He gonna get the. I think he just gonna get the base. He might get the Cabriolet version.
yeah, the Carrera T Coupe. Cause that, yeah, you get that. I mean, GT3. That's if he get that, I already know what they're talking about. Then I ain't gotta ask no questions.
Yeah,
But
that
the
ain't
Carrera T,
that's not regular.
nah, it's GTS, and yeah, this GTS is sweet, but that bitch is it's not cheap.
It's not.
206. That candy paint, boy. That red is licorice, carmine red.
Yeah, he not getting that. That's yeah, he for real.
Uncle Brian, man, let us know.
Let us know, bro.
Let you
Because if
know.
not, I'm just pulling up. I'm gonna pull up on him right quick. He could be like, "Hold on, man, I'm canceling all my plans this week.
Nah, facts.
I'm going to the dealership right now." Especially in Houston. Well, I know he got option.
See, look
Oh
at that.
snap!
See, look at this. This is
Oh,
the more economic. This is their economic car. But you 189 for 612 horsepower, 7-speed automatic.
say, bro.
That's what this like, I'm getting this before the lamb. Because they so affordable and you're not about to play with me on that track.
No, those are some nice looking cars.
Bro, very, and it's simple, it's minimalistic. You don't have all the too much. It's like it's not even designed for the touch screen. It's really designed for the driver. Like it is a driver car.
Damn, the bitch look futuristic, like the in the video games back in the day on
Exactly,
PlayStation.
exactly. When we played Need for Speed, this
Come
is the
on.
car. This is the unlock car.
Yep. Oh my God, everybody remember that one. Them all black.
But nah, this the one. This the actually one that I physically want.
600.
Yeah, because they got this. I'm gonna tell you why.
What?
You see the pipes?
Oh, flames come out of there?
Boy, do they. Do they? You want to roast some marshmallows?
Dang.
Yeah, then kick back.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Okay. All right, I see how you coming. Yeah,
yeah.
that's crazy. Way not way more, but for sure a good bit more horsepower than those Porsches.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you
I'm
could
just like,
definitely run the waist in that one, but if it's in a drag, that Porsche can probably do something.
oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I think out of the drag, the lambs, damn, are the slowest ones.
Damn, because they're
I done
so
see,
heavy.
yep, I done seen these cars. Like this is the first one, the M2 M12 Spider,
Damn, that
2013.
bitch look fire.
I knew you was gonna say that. I knew you was gonna say that. The only thing I ain't gonna say I don't like, but it's the rear, and that's just me being just picky. I like the newer style rears, but yeah,
Yeah,
these
I'm
are
with it. I can understand, but yeah, look at that side view. Like
yeah
that's
with the gills,
yes.
and it's crazy. This is like their cheaper car. Obviously, it's a 2013, but eventually, like 10 years down the road, this probably car gonna be worth 200,000. Like this gonna be an investment piece.
And explain.
Well, I think it's the amount they made. Now they only made so many, and I think this is one of their first cars they made after they came out with that McLaren F1, which is like nobody has one for sale. It's like the first street legal McLaren that they came out with back in like, I want to say 2005, 2006 or something. And that car, if you try to buy one, they easily going for like 1.5, 1.7 right now. And it's a 2005.
Okay.
And it looked like this. It kind of varies. It's similar. It looked like this. That's why I said this car with this body style.
Yeah.
Eventually in the future, yeah, it's gonna go up in value. Like you
Okay.
gonna be saying 209 for this car, especially if you got low miles. If you ain't drove it a lot.
For sure. Yeah. All car numbers are like they up there for the most part, unless if you're not buying like super high luxury. But
Yeah.
man, like if you're people buying a car, you got bread.
Yeah, in fact, especially now.
Come on.
I mean, just even a base little Tahoe Suburban. If I see anybody with a Tahoe or Suburban, yeah, you got bread. Just the fact that you spent that money on that truck when you could have went and bought a 8-year-old Bentley truck for that matter.
Yes.
Like you could have done it riding around in the Bentayga on the cool. Have you seen how much the Bentaygas cost right now?
No.
I ain't even gonna say it. I just want to show you just so you can see. Just before we get out this live, I just want to show you right quick, just because
Yeah. No.
it's crazy because you know how much they cost when they first came out, right? Do you kind of know?
No, I don't. I want to keep it real.
They were, I think, approaching the high 2s to 3s when they first came out.
Okay.
And so if I go here and go to oldest car first, and notice, look at they say they overpriced.
What?
2017 Bentley Bentayga for under 100 bands, 89. We'll go to cheapest price so you can see.
You did oldest car. Okay.
I did oldest car, but I'm gonna go to cheaper. Look at that. 2019 Bentley Bentayga, 68,000, 59,000 miles.
Why?
Bentleys don't hold their value, bro. Like I said, you could go get they got the Continentals Bentley, 2013 GT Coupe. You could get them for under 48,000.
Damn. So you could get a damn
Bentley,
a B.
a B.
A B for 60, like a family car, bro.
Come on,
Like,
bro. And that's what I'm saying. They got people dropping 110 on the souped up 2024
and I mean,
Suburbans.
I get it. I get it if you got it like that, but it's just like, come on, man. You got, you know.
Yeah, you could really drive around this. Like, look at that. Like all these different colors, and you got the matte roof, all white cocaine.
Damn.
600 horsepower. So you're not playing with them.
What?
Yes, bro. That's what I'm
What?
saying.
Just 200 on the dash?
Easily. Bentley's. This is a V12. It's like the same engine as a Lamborghini.
Oh, the
Yeah.
inside look nice in that bitch.
Let me see.
I think that's what. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yep. See, that's the only thing, bro. Because I'm gonna be in the car. I'm not gonna be out the car. Like, yeah, I want it to look like that when I'm in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Sheesh.
crazy.
Oh, they had one accident report on. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I would definitely stay away from any of those, but
Yeah.
as you can see,
That's gonna be
the
white,
price.
all white or all black in that one.
Now, the flip side is
Yeah.
Rolls Royce, they don't play them games. They actually hold their value. You're not about to get no Rolls Royce too cheap. Like them old school Rolls Royces that P. Diddy and them used to drive back in the day in their videos with, them hoes still cost a pretty penny. Like, easily over 150, 200K.
Damn.
They're not their original price when they first came out,
And
but
that's the old, like, yeah, back in the 90s. Like,
yeah.
shit.
That's why I said if you see anybody in a Rolls Royce Cullinan, the truck, they Yeah, they stupid rich.
They're not normal.
They're not normal. I don't care who the hell it is. They're not normal because that car is literally a house. That's like a $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 car, depending on the upgrades you got on it. And sometimes they got them upwards of $700,000 and $800,000, depending on the upgrades. But yeah, that's not bad. I ain't gonna cap.
Damn, that's crazy. I did not know that, bro.
Yeah, dog. It's like a sweet time right now if you had the bread to buy luxury, because certain luxury cars are like crazy off the the meter as far as what they're currently selling for versus what they was going for when they first came out. Like, of course you're gonna be buying a 10, 15 year, but I mean shit, in that case that was a 5-year-old car. And it's under 80,000.
That's what I'm saying.
So, some cars, yeah, you gotta push 10, like even like Ferrari. You could catch you a nice F430 Spider, 360 for under 80,000. But you gotta get like a 97, a 2001, but it's a fucking Ferrari.
Right.
Like who cares, nigga? It's a Ferrari, fam. Like who ever in your life had a Ferrari?
Come on.
You feel me? So it's approaching that time, that we never seen this before with cars, especially like that, are being sold for under 6 figures, because they all came out at a price over 6 figures, no matter what. But yeah, man, it's crazy. But you keep investing your money, you can get it at any price, brand new or used.
That is a fact.
That's the sweet thing about making your money work for you. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Gotta go down and have a little smoke break.
I got you, man. Well, yeah, hit me up, bro.
I got you, brother. Will do.
All right. Well, everybody already know what the game plan is. Like always, not that much news, but just because it's not that much news, before every session, make it a habit to look at the news. Stuff can be added, stuff can be adjusted. Always keep an eye out for that. Yeah, you already know what we're looking at. We're looking for some early buys, trying to catch this sale for the overall movement of what we've been getting into on the larger time frames, daily, weekly, and yeah, we keep everybody updated, man. Tap in. You already know what time it is.
That's a fact, brother.
Get it.
All right, bro. I'm gonna hit you up.
All right.
Peace out.